And now we're showing you how you can throw a star-worthy viewing party of your own. Event planner David Stark shows us how, starting with a red carpet backdrop, just like the ones the stars pose in front of.
I use Post-its. It's really easy. These are ones that I had customized. I called mine My Awards Party. Rip off the Post-it and you stick it on the wall. One of the first things that I do is give my guests a scorecard, and then we'll see who's right at the end of the day. I made this on my computer, but you can get these on the internet.
Serve up food and drinks inspired by the Oscar-nominated movies.
Sup, bro? Don't ever do that to me again.
The Descendants taking place in Hawaii, well, a Mai Tai is the perfect drink. Dressed up in a coconut shell and an umbrella and a funny straw.
It's fine for your father and I to disagree. That's what a democracy is.
Inspired by Midnight in Paris, the classic champagne cocktail is given a twist, a little bit of gin, and some simple syrup, and all of a sudden becomes a little bit special and reflective of turn-of-the-century Paris.
Hey, Abeline. Hey, Minnie.
If you've seen The Help, you know the significance and the humor behind Minnie's famous chocolate pie. Creating a little sign like this is something that's so easy on the computer.
I certainly can.
For my week with Marilyn, well, instead of serving brownies, we served blondies to immortalize her blonde hair.
Text me the play-by-play.
Wait, what?
I don't watch the games.
The classic shelled peanuts are super reflective of Moneyball.
For unique Oscar party decor,
The classic popcorn bag, if you put a glass cylinder and a candle inside, well, all of a sudden this becomes a perfect luminary.
put flowers into a ceramic popcorn container, which you can find online.
What party is complete without favors? These cookies by BakedIdeas.com are kind of incredible. I mean, they mimic the statue. Best picture, best actor. You could even put your friends' names on them.
That's great. Wonder if they're gluten-free. That's all the rage in LA.
That is very hot right now, yeah.
Let's go to a man who loves gluten. Ken Baker.